Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. One of the most important topic that I got asked all the time about the hair system is, yes, it looks fantastic. It lasts for year and a half, between year and a half if you look after it and all of that, and it looks amazing, it looks very natural. But the main question is, will I be able to maintain it yourself? Will I be able to take it off myself, redo it, clean it, put it back on? Because a lot of people doesn't want to invest that amount of time of visiting her for all London every few weeks, every 4 weeks, take it off, clean it, get it attached back again. So today I'm gonna show you the 3 easy steps to look after your hair system yourself. Step number 1, taking off the hair system and cleaning your scalp. What you need for that, you need one of those to avoid getting the product on your eyes. And the product I use, I filled it in this bottle because I like the spray in this bottle, is something called Lace Release. So all you have to do is spray spray. Leave it for a few seconds. As you can see, this is avoiding any of the lace release that comes on my eye. Leave it for a few seconds and then simply take it off. Slowly. There we go. Nearly there. Nearly there. Okay. So we took off the hair system. How to clean the scalp? It's very easy to do that, and for that I do use some cotton and I just put some in here. Put some. The way I do it, some people roll it off, but what I do, after I put some, I spray some lace release on it and I leave it for a few minutes and then I just wipe it and it's absolutely clean. So I'm going to leave it for a few minutes. I'm going to back to you. So it's been a few minutes now, so all you need, just some tissue, spray some more lace release on it and just wipe it. Yeah, this would take off all the glue from your head. It makes it clean and ready for another hair system to be attached. And I know I've said that in a few other videos, but for me personally, that's why it's very important to have 2 hair systems, because you'll see now I did this one and I'm going to get the other one ready to attach it very quickly. I wouldn't need to wait till I clean this one and wash it and all of that to get it done. So the other one will be ready, and this would save me a lot of time, and not only time, save me time and money, because when I have to, I wouldn't overwear one hair system all the time, rotate between them. So in essence, it could last you for 2 years and a half, 3 years sometimes, but minimum of 2 years, I would say, if you have 2 hair systems. So this is the step number 1. It's done and dusted. Step number 2 is to take the hair system, and I'll show you how. Hello, this is step number 2, which is to tape the hair system, and I use this type of tapes because it's really strong and it lasts a very long time. Sometimes it lasts for 3 to 4 weeks, but I don't leave it that long, to be honest, to maintain my hair system to keep it last longer. So I normally clear it every 10 to 2 weeks. Oh, not 10 to 2 weeks. 10 days to 2 weeks. Yeah, that was right. I thought I said 10 weeks. Yeah, never keep my hair system for 10 weeks. So yeah, as you can see, guys, I'm just taping my hair system. Just tape the edges, and then you'll be ready to go. I used to tape it all around and just have it all taped, but these days I've been having adhesive at the front. I feel it gives me better look, more natural look at the front. So yeah, and I'll show you how you could easily do it. So as you can see, as I said before, because I have 2 hair system, this one is clean and ready to go. I'll make a separate video on how you can clean your hair system very quickly. So as you can see, I taped it all around. I'm going to put adhesive at the front. I'm going to put a few here in the middle to give it an extra support. And then we will move to the third step and the final step. We're nearly there, nearly there. Here we go. All ready, as you can see. And now we'll move to the third step. Hello everyone, here is the last and the third step of attaching your hair system. So all you have to do is put your 4 fingers, make a mark on the middle of your head, and do the same with the hair system, make a mark in the middle of the hair system. Then after that, you slide it to where, I'm going to try to do this without a mirror, so I'll see how this all turns out. Slide it to where the dot in the middle, yeah, and you could easily do that because there's no glue or adhesive at the front. I'll apply that after. Then after that, you just push it down. As simple as that. You're pushing it really hard, then you lift the front and you glue it. Let me get the adhesive and I'll get back to you to show you how. Hello, so we've got the adhesive now, and before you apply the adhesive, let me show you a really good trick. Get some sellotape and see where the line of your hair system, so you know where to apply the sellotape exactly, and just put it here. Put piece at the front, another piece at the side, and another piece on this side. I believe now I am ready to apply the adhesive. That's the type of adhesive I use. You leave it for a few minutes to dry, and then you put your system back very slowly so it will stay. So I'm gonna leave it for another few minutes. I'll be back to you. Here we go. The adhesive is nearly dry, and before you put your hair system back down, make sure you take off the sellotape. Okay, take off the sellotape, and I'm gonna put down my hair system very slowly. there we go. And all done. That is the third step is done. Let me show you a little trick of how to push it back. Use one of those that come with the tape. When you take off the tape, this is not a sticky patch, so you just use one of them to push it down. And yeah, that's the third step is done and dusted. Some people ask me, how long do you need before you can wash it, or before? Well, I normally leave it for 6-7 hours, but if you're really desperate to wash it and style it and go, you certainly could do that, but make sure you run hair dryer on a cord for a few minutes before you do that, and then you'll be absolutely fine. And yeah, as you can see, it's not that hard, it's not that complicated if you follow these 3 easy steps to do to look after your hair system. I'm going to make another separate video to show you how to clean your hair system. That's everything for today. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or send her for Orlando an email. Have a great day, guys.